what's up guys, Matt here. Another Friday, another piano tutorial for you guys. So today we are going to be looking at one of Billy Joel's most famous songs, Piano Man. Sing us a song, you're the piano man. Sing us a song tonight. That one? Well, without any further ado, let's jump right into the piano tutorial. Okay, so looking at this introduction to Piano Man, we can see that we have in the left hand, we're going to start out playing a D minor 7, okay? So we have a D with our pinky, playing an F with our fourth finger, second finger on A, and your thumb on middle C, okay? You could also play this F with your third finger if you want to as well, whichever or. So that's the note we play in our chord we play in our left hand. And then the right hand, here we go. Second finger plays A flat, thumb moves up to an A, second finger on C, an octave above middle C, third finger E, then we go G with our pinky, third finger F sharp, F on with the second finger, thumb on E, second finger on E flat, thumb on D, second finger plays D flat, and thumb plays C. So really slow, it would sound like this. Okay, slow one more time. If I speed that up. Now we change in our left hand. This chord, so we went from a D minor 7, now we're going to keep our pinky and our third finger on F where it's at. We're moving these top two notes, so instead of an A, you play an A flat, and instead of a C, you'll play a B. Okay? So we go from in your left hand to okay. Play this trill, second finger on B flat, third finger on B, pinky on C. We play this trill twice. Okay. Then we move down to thumb on G, second finger goes up to A flat, third finger up to A, then back down to G with your thumb. Okay, then thumb on D, second finger moves up to E flat, third finger on E, and then pinky goes up to G before we go into the main verse and chorus of the song. But again, just looking at the intro, on the right hand, faster.